What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best blenders in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to save money and still get the best blender for your buck, then the Ninja Professional Blender is the perfect choice. It deservedly won the medal of the best affordable blender in 2023, and it was praised for its excellent blend of quality and affordability. The famed Ninja company provides their customers with blenders that are stylish and elegant, designed to fit almost any closet without taking up much space. With easy-to-understand front-facing controls and a clear LED display, operating this device is a breeze. The immense 1,000-watt power base allows it to chop or blend any food, or even turn shatterable ice into snow faster than most other blenders out there, making it one of the top-performing models on the market today. To make sure that you're able to adjust your blending processes according to your needs, this model also has 6 speed settings, as well as a pulse mode, ensuring that you get just what you need every time. Plus, all parts are dishwasher safe, so cleaning this device is never an issue. Another key feature which sets the Ninja Professional Blender apart from its competitors is that it comes with a BPA-free plastic jar, meaning you can prepare delicious meals without worrying about any potential health risks associated with consuming BPA toxins, bisphenol A. With its stainless steel construction combined with sharp corners for a modern look, this device looks great on your kitchen counter while also being able to carry around due to its lightweight design. Additionally, the instruction manual included contains plenty of delicious recipes, including smoothies, soups, and other nutritious meals, which you can create using just this blender. Furthermore, this blender comes equipped with 6 sharp and strong blades, which help crush ice faster than other manufacturers' blenders, while also creating smooth textures thanks to their high-quality stainless steel composition. The technology of complete shredding helps create fine ice particles quickly, so that no ingredients are left unprocessed. Plus, if not used after a certain amount of time, this device automatically shuts off, which prevents any kind of damage from occurring, something that ensures safety during use. And last but certainly not least, if you take into account that this model doubles as both a blender and food processor, then you realize why so many customers have given such positive feedback regarding this model's performance. So don't wait any longer. Try out the Ninja Professional Blender now for yourself. Next on our review list is the NutriBullet Blender Combo, also known as the best value blender on the market in 2023. It's easy to use with a lot of accessories and performed well in most tests. Powerful and easy to use, the NutriBullet offers some of the best blenders you can buy. Its latest model, the NutriBullet Blender Combo, combines the convenience of personal cup blenders with the versatility of a full-size jug. It's a great option for larger households who can use it to make one big smoothie instead of several individual servings. The NutriBullet Blender Combo has a small base unit, and while it doesn't have the refined design and multiple color options available on some of the top brands, it won't look out of place in any kitchen. It measures 9.6 by 6.9 by 16.9 inches, 24.5 by 17.5 by 42.8 centimeters, so while it's not wide, it's quite tall. If you don't have space to keep it on your desktop, it's relatively lightweight, of 7.3 pounds, 3.3 kilograms, makes it easy to move into the closet as needed. There are 2 personal mixing cups that attach to the easy-to-swivel pull-out blade, and each comes with a lid so you can mix your drink in the cup. Then remove the blade and attach the lid so you can enjoy your drink on the go. The main jar of the NutriBullet Blender Combo has a maximum capacity of 64 ounces, 1.8 liters, but please note, for liquids this capacity is reduced to 56 ounces, 1.65 liters only. The jug with extractor blade attached fits easily onto its base, and there are suction cups beneath its motor unit which secures firmly onto its work surface. There are 3 speed settings, low, medium, high, along with pulse function provided by this blender, making it easy and intuitive to use without going through instructional manual. When tested at medium speed without much effort, ice cubes were crushed finely and was loud at 87 decibel noise level. There are no leaks from any part or jug or lid, and all accessories are dishwasher friendly, making cleaning process easier. 2 good-sized mixing cups along with their lids come along in US package, or 3 UK and Australia for personalized blending requirements. Lastly, automatic program called Extract is available for making smoothies. The KitchenAid K150 is the perfect mid-range blender for those looking to upgrade their kitchen setup in 2023. It offers 3 speed settings and pulsing or crushing ice option, making it great for everyday tasks such as crushing ice, making mayonnaise, and blending smoothies. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move around between the work surface and cabinet. Plus, it has an IntelliSpeed motor with an asymmetric blade that produces optimal mixing results. The capacity of the 48-ounce 1.4-liter jug may not be suitable for larger households, but there are compatible accessories which can be purchased separately if you want to expand your use of this blender. The manual instructs you to use Speed 3 settings for cleaning purposes. However, there is no dedicated self-cleaning program, though the jar and lid are dishwasher safe, so cleaning should be relatively hassle-free. It's clear why this entry-level model has been praised by users. Its classic elegance, simple usability, and relatively low price make it an ideal choice for those wanting more than just basic blenders. With its versatile features and premium performance capability, you'll be sure to get your money's worth with this investment. Whether you're a beginner or a veteran blender enthusiast, the KitchenAid K150 is up to all tasks. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Introducing the Vitamix 5200, the best high-end blender in 2023. This full-sized blender has a 64-ounce main jar with 2-piece lid and tamper. It also has an analog speed knob for controlling the motor's power and a high variable speed switch for different recipes. This well-built machine is made with stainless steel details and BPA-free Triton plastic for outstanding performance. The Vitamix 5200 is slightly better than the Vitamix 7500 as it makes smoother blends with small batches of ingredients like smoothies, nut butters, purees, or even ice cubes. Its tall jar tapers at the bottom, which helps draw ingredients into the blades to create a strong swirl, while its powerful motor generates frictional heat enough to boil liquids if left running long enough. With this user-friendly device, you can make almost anything from smoothies to soups to nut butters with ease, making it ideal for multi-purpose use in your kitchen. Cleanup time is easily managed too, thanks to its basic design that allows you to lightly clean exterior with soapy water and hand-wash jug whenever possible without worrying about digital display or touchscreen getting damaged in the process. Even more, it comes with a tamper provided, so pulverizing extra thick purees isn't an issue either. Just break any air pockets across the blade by using it. It's fair to say that if you have the money, this top-of-the-range blender is well worth investing in due to its amazing performance and reliability over time. The Vitamix 5200 makes blending easy and efficient from start to finish, so why not try one out today? Finally, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall blender on the market in 2023, the Vitamix Explorion E310. This simple full-sized blender is outstanding for multi-purpose use, as it can blend smoothies, crush ice, and even blend hot foods like soups. It looks extremely well made, making it an excellent choice for professional use. The Vitamix Explorion E310 comes in 3 different colors and is sometimes sold with different accessories, such as a pair of glasses with straws intended for serving drinks like smoothies. It has a 48-ounce jar and several automatic mixing programs. Compared to other Vitamix blenders, it has a simpler design, making it better at making single-serve smoothies. The Vitamix Explorion offers the best features at the best price, sharing the same design, power, and accessories as the previous Vitamix Pro 750 and Pro 300 models. It's perfect for optimizing nutrition for special requirements, such as athletes or people on special diets where nutrition needs to be maximized. With its easy use, self-cleaning properties, and nutritious preparations, this blender makes it easy to introduce fruits and vegetables into your diet with Speed Selector helping you prepare recipes just like any other Vitamix model. It also includes a higher-low profile 2-liter carafe, a 0.9-liter carafe for dry and wet food, and a 1.4-liter carafe for wet food. The micro-grinding yields completely fine texture without any fibers or particles remaining, even when processing fibrous or hard foods, facilitating nutrient absorption such as fatty acids and amino acids from vegetables that are normally too difficult to access. Hot creams and soups are created through friction at maximum speed in 5 minutes without exceeding 80 to 85 degrees Celsius, ensuring nutrient spoilage is minimized during preparation. Furthermore, cleaning is simple with just a little water, dish soap running the blender for a few seconds doing all the work. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best blenders in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.